Yeah, we're camping. Big Beefy. Wood farm, campsite free. Look at this. What a lovely view, eh? I tell you. See if we can zoom in just a little bit. See if that's any better. Look at that. Can you hear the dogs? Hey. Yeah, it's because we haven't even opened up. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at them, eh? They can't wait to get out. Daz is on his way. About 6, he says. Put that there. Wait. Stop. Stay. Say hello. Rotty Power. Hey? Yeah. Right. We'll start setting things up, so we'll see you in a bit. And it's quick, as you can see. Crack a Dan, it's up. We're up. Someone else has just come on. There's going to be a couple up there, that's it. There'll just be us, Dazza, Smarty here, and a couple up top, that's it. Brilliant. 2's fully booked. You know what I mean? I don't know about 1, but Nick Santa's up here. And what a beautiful place, Nick. Thank you. Gorgeous, I tell you. Oh, I tell you. They got some blue sky, faint. And I mean faint. I should get my detector out as well tonight. I might have to just put my boots on because the grass is a bit damp, isn't it? You know what I mean? That's the time of year we're getting to now, ain't it, Duck?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, so sorted. Right, see you later. Well, Sam's just gone pay. We had a walk down, see Nick and Sue. Asked him, can I come on with a detector? He says, yeah. So Sam's gone pay, so I'll get the detector out. There's Big Beefy. I've walked to there. Yes, and the first find, you can see what it is. Here, uncover it, look. And there we go, a torch. Jags, does it work? To want a battery, won't it, obviously, that's all. Yeah. How good's that? Right. See you in a bit. I'm only having a little bit till she gets back. Right, see you in a bit. Right, well, Sam's back anyway. It's only about 10 minutes. That's it. Found tent peg, that was it. And that torch. That's it. Yeah, can have a quick bottle of beer. A quick. And then I'm going to cook. Yeah. See you in a bit. Right. Daz and Smarty just turned up. James at Brigham. These guys owning up. Awesome. Brilliant.
Oh, that's the wood there, Chris. Don't put it in yours.
Yeah, just put it by it. Because there's no room in it.
Hold on, let me down.
Yeah, the dog. Right, I've got to do a bit of cooking. See you in a sec. Right, how's that? I've got the beast on. Just filled it with some oil. I have, we're on a slant there, you can tell by the oil. That's all right, because chips are going in. And I got this for eggs. I'm ready, she says. Yeah, come on out. Yeah, Sammy. With a tray of pleasure. Yes, Duck, hello.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, what we got for tea. Chips, ham and egg. Sea salt, apple cider vinegar, and red sauce. Awesome. Right, see them in. There they are. Pumping the airbeds up with Jane's power. Daz had bought his little smart car. You know, he lost it in a pothole, he says. Yeah, looks good, he's owning. Into his camper van, the alternator's gone. But it's been done. Sorted. There's Rambo. Brilliant, over there. Yeah, brilliant. Let's have a look. Hey, his owning's looking good, isn't it? Yeah. This is ready to put the chips in them, man. Brilliant. It is. Yeah, look, Lily's come. Oh, with an arm. Oh. Right. You can put some chips in this now. Rambo's waiting for his stroke. So, hang on. Right, we're ready now. I'm going to just empty these in. Wow, straight away. Look at that. Yeah, we got chips tonight. Look at them. How quick are they done? My God. Oh, aren't they nice? They haven't took long to, have they?
No.
That's quicker than at home. Oh, and they look nice. And the eggs are cooking in the other one. Have we done any bread and butter?
Yeah.
Oh, real. Your mouth's watering, Lily. It is. Have you put Daz's pies in?
Yeah.
I bet them eggs are done. Right, how's that looking? Wow, look at the eggs. Nearly, eh?
Yeah.
One of them broke. When I put it in, it just slid down. This wasn't very good.
Oh.
Right, see you in a sec. Look at the middle egg. It's not very good, is it? I mean, I can't hold it. I can't. Let me see if I can lean it on the other one. Right, that's it. One egg's good. There we go, Sam. Make some room for my egg.
Brilliant.
Beautiful. Right. See you later. Well, how's my lamp? Look at that. Yeah. Fueler hand. Germany. Awesome. West Germany they're from. Brilliant. Tell you. One fill, 20 hours. So it's here with us camping. With Smarty. Yeah. Dazzy. Yeah. And McEwen. He's come as well. Right, so I'm going to light fire now. It's out, just ready. Hang on. This fire going. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Warm night as well.
Fire starter.
Fire starter.
Lovely fire starter.
Yeah. That's Home and Daz has bought some for starting it as well. I bought some as well, Daz.
Yeah.
Yeah, for cooking tomorrow. That's
Fair swap then. Food for wood.
That's it, food for wood. Right, I'll do now. I'll get some of the bigger ones. That's it, sorted. Right, see you in a minute. Look at that, it's blaring now, isn't it? Have a right tan you will, Sam. There's the lamp, and there's the music, and there's Daz of a DJ soon. Smarter than what he's doing. Yeah, eat it again. Yeah, that's You know we're cooking toast and pikelets. I've just done some pikelets and Sam is doing that. And Daz is on the toast.
Awesome.
Awesome. What bread's we on?
Tiger.
Tiger loaf, get it in. Yeah. Well, look at them. Wow. Tray of pleasure out again. Tell you.
For you.
Yeah, sorted. Right, I better get some more on the go now. You're doing well there, Sam.
Yeah.
Smarty's eating. He's on the pikelets. Daz has burnt his toast. That do some more.
Sure.
Yeah. And this is mine, is it? So I can do Sammy some pancakes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Right. Love it. Oh, they're pancakes. And what do we have? Pikelets and toast. We're awesome. Look at the smoke now. Yeah. That'll be a light in a minute now. We had to let it go down for cooking. But how nice. So if we have a look around, there's a distance. Everywhere else is pitch black. Wow, it's lightened up actually, hasn't it? The clouds. Wow, look at that fire. Yeah, it's a new lamp. Brilliant. Oh, there's Daz as well.
It's not warm, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is warm, yeah. Brilliant. Right, we'll see you later. Wow. That food was awesome. Everyone's still awake. What time are we now on, Si? Yeah.
20 to 11.
22:11. Look at the fire. Blaring. We haven't had any music on tonight. We got Marley out, but we haven't had it on because we've been talking. Had a good night. Talking, yes. Pitch black. Beautiful. So anyway, I'll say good night and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 10:10. Oh my God. I didn't even go to bed last night till about 1:30. 1:30. I burnt my lip. I made a lobby, didn't I? And I burnt my lip. Oh yeah, never right. Oh God. I've been awake for a bit actually. We didn't know it was this time. Wow. It's foggy out and everything. Look. You can tell autumn's here. You can. The dogs have been good. They're waiting to go out. I've just put the kettle on. So I better get dressed. Oh. That was a good sleep. Oh. See you in a bit. And we're up. Sammy's up. Yeah, just made the cuppa I have. As soon as I put the kettle on, she woke up. Oh, a bit of mist, as you can see. Yeah. Right, never right, eh? Tell you. Can't wait for the sun break through. It's warm though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Proper warm, right. Later then. Look, groomed up now as well. Yeah. Right, cooking time. And Daz is getting his out as well.
And the food.
Yeah, they are. Look at his box. Awesome. Right, sorted. And here's Sammy. Yeah, with the tray of pleasure. Yeah, beautiful. Nice. What's it look like now? Oh, look at that. Look how good that looks. Beautiful. Just listen at the sound. Wow. Wow, look at all them. We've got donkeys and all that. No way. Rambo. Let's go control him. Wow. Yeah. Let's have a look at his box he's had made. Brilliant. He's done a nice job, hasn't he? Yeah, them. Yeah, them. That will be perfect. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah, brilliant. Look at Rambo. He was watching them donkeys. Never right, right, about Chet Kong. Are you starving, duck?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, we're done. We're done, we're done. There we go. We're done. Yummy. I've just thrown a couple of sausages in. Free. That's it. There's the view. Beautiful view, even when it's misty. It is. Let's look at these. They're nearly done. Wow. I just love sausages. Don't you, duck? Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. That's just done. There's that, you bud. Nice.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Cheers. I can't cheers till my cuppa comes. Yeah, there's the farmyard. Beautiful. Look at the view. Cracking. Brilliant. The weather's not too bad. Just waiting for the sun to come out. Yeah. That's campsite one. That's what we was on last time we come. Brilliant. And we're on number 3 now. Up the lane. Yeah. It's lovely up here. It is. There's 3 at the end and 2's here to the left. Some nice views over there as well. Someone else has just come on as well. In a VW up there. And there's Big Beefy, you can just see coming through. Yeah, let's get off this mud. Oh, I'd love to live on here. I would. Can go for a walk for it in a bit. In the woods and all the walkways. Have a look at that. Yeah, look, Big Beefy. Yeah. And there we go. Right, see you later. Yeah, can have a hike. Hiking time. Have a wander. Lovely. See you in a bit then. We're on the walk. Just look at there. Middle of nowhere. We've walked now about a mile. Tell you, brilliant. Buzzard. See if we can get in on it. Yeah, look at that. Couple of buzzards. Beautiful. Wow, fancy coming across this? How smart is that? Rest in peace, Clive. That's beautiful, that is. Wow. Lovely. That's it, he planted millions of trees up here as well. What a walk. We walked for days. Right, we walked down to here. Look at there. Proper on a mission. And in the background, it's Croxton Abbey. There, we're going over to that as well. Beautiful. I bet we walked about 4 or 5 miles, haven't we, all together? Something like that. Yeah. Took us about an hour and a half. Hey, we've done some mileage. We're only halfway there. Right, so see you in a bit. Wow. Look how nice. And there it is. It's this side of the road as well. And here, look at this. Beautiful. See if we can go in. We will. Yeah, look at there. Croxton Abbey. Beaut. Right, we'll have a wander. Oh, we can get through the gate. Right, hang on then. Yeah, look at there. Yeah, just walk in. Oh, wow. Oh, we got a... Actually, amazing. Yeah, I'll come to you now. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at there. Beautiful, beautiful. Croxton Abbey. Wow, I wonder who lived here. I might even look it up. Yeah, beaut. Wow, look at there. There it is. So you want pause it and read. Go a bit close. Wow, 1176. Wow, 1179, monks moved in. That's beautiful. This road that we walked down here, can you see? Yeah, look, went straight through it. Brilliant. Wow, proper history, ain't it? I love touching stuff like that, look. Get the power from there, gone back. 13th century stone cross bearing here. Wow. It's massive. Right. Look at this arch. Wow. Mint. Yeah. Yeah, tell you. Literally. Private.
Private tennis court.
Oh, private tennis court, eh? Wow. So obviously, whoever bought this. Oh, what a picture that'd do. Wow. Let's see if I can get that. On picture. Yeah, God does it. Oh, it's beaut. That's it. Beautiful. It's goodbye to Croxton Abbey. Yeah. And we're off for the walk back. See you later. Yeah, back at the bowls. Wow. Still monsters, aren't they? Look at them. The other one's in the other one. I don't know where he is. We'll probably see him later. Right. So there's the other walk. You go down there, you go across that way you can. Yeah. Might go walk tomorrow, eh? Right. Yeah, there's Big Biff and there's Sammy. Yeah. Yeah, brilliant. Right, it's time to start some cooking, I think. See you in a bit.